everyone. So I'm here to do the second half of the core line of Physicians Formula and Wet n Wild. I cut my hair too short, and because I'm trying to cut off the fried hair, and as you can see, that anyway, I'll explain to you later. So I know my hair looks horrible, but let's just get started. And okay, so I'm going to do the purple with the dark blue. So last week I used Bloom, and this week I'm using Mauve. I wipe this as best I could. I try not to use as much brushes because they get piled up so quickly, and then I'm doing like 200 brushes probably, because I've been, doing my makeup for about 4 months before I actually cleaned them. And I like to, plus my videos. I want that to dry. So now when I do my video, I just really try to reuse brushes as much as possible. I change my foundation brush every week though, because it gets funky since it's liquid. Okay. And I'm going to use the navy blue, which is Lucy. I just found out that Wet n Wild has released their new collection already. It's a big one too. It's like the Snoopy collection. And supposedly, I know mine looks awful. Supposedly, it's already at Walmart. They haven't even announced their core line. So I am really not sure. What they're waiting for. But also, is this exclusive to Walmart? Or, are they doing a box set? We already know that Wet n Wild has not really been dependable. These past few releases, wow, that is so pigmented that I got a mess on my... The box sets have not been all that. And plus, you have to buy like more than half the stuff separately. Dang it. I thought that was, I used eyebrow wax instead of, this is ridiculous. What a mess. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of concealer, since at the moment I can't find my highlighter. Let me just do this. So yeah, this looks like a big one. And this past holiday, my Walmart has not had they didn't have the Charlie Brown collection. The only Walmart that told me they had it was the one in Webster near my brother. So, I'm not really sure what's what. This time I am going to use the white because it has a blue sheen to it, and I'm wearing purple and blue, so. I am trying to lighten up that area, so I did put a lot. So this is one of those days that I can't find anything. Not only can I not find my highlighter pencil from Anastasia, I can't find my dark brown brow powder. Guess I'll use this gray for now. Okay. I'm gonna use my gray for now. I don't want to use my black. I'm just gonna use gray for now, and I have like a dark gray, but it's not black. You could tell. And I'm gonna use the brow lift, Brazilian brow lift. Oh, okay. Oh, that's interesting. The way that it's shaped is really interesting. Oh, and just so you know, I use this powder. It's supposedly a like primer and finishing powder, but I would use it as a finishing powder. I didn't really like it as a primer. It's just, I guess it's just weird. I'm not used to a powder primer. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go in with the pink glitter again and put it in the inside the a little overpowering, but it still matches with purple and blue. So, and I wanted to try this current, what is it, plum jam, or what's this color again? Current jam. Oh, okay. Use this side to just blend it in. So that's not bad. Okay, so I'm going to finish my makeup. Well, put as much makeup on before I come back to show you these two products and the new lip product from Wet n Wild. So, all right, I'll be back. I've seen other people do this. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna use this like a contour. Just gonna put a little bit on the brush. Alright, alright. I wouldn't put it on my nose because it is a little shimmery. I don't want my nose to, you know, shine a bronzer all around it. I'm trying to take attention away from my nose. Okay, that worked out pretty nice. Okay, put a little bit, putting a little bit on a brush, and just
if I could get his number or if I could talk to him.
alright, let's see. This is a darker one, so
Sure.
this one's
You
not.
got my number, I'll give you.
This one's not transparent, so I don't know how this one's gonna look. Let's see. Natural glow. Alright, here we go. Oh, definitely darker than the other one. Okay. So, yeah, for some reason, I bleached my roots because the back of my head and here is still dark. Just the front is white, and instead of making it purple, it neutralized it to a silver. So I really don't want that, so I have one more dye, and I think I'm gonna try to cover that up, and if not, probably bleach it I don't know, within the next month or so, and just put in silver and toner. Anyway, okay, alrighty, so that's that. Now let's do the lips. So the color I'm using is Wisteria, and this stuff is hard to get off. You can see it in my videos that I had a hard time getting it off my hand. It's very, very matte, and then use the gloss. And that dried down pretty fast. Though I gotta say, I don't know if they're all like this, but this brush feels like they took a bunch of cheap bristles and put it on here. I hope not all of them are like that, so it doesn't feel smooth on the lips. So that's it. I don't think I'm going to be cutting my hair for a little while until it grows out, because this looks awful. I don't like it. But anyway, okay, I will see you guys next week. Oh, my nail finally broke. My birthday is in a week and a half, so I'm probably going to get my nails done just for my birthday, because it really broke all the way down. But yeah, anyway, okay, I will see you next week. Mwah.